Hey guys, and welcome back to Crundee 2.0. And today in Crundee 2.0, we're gonna be finishing off the house and probably finding ores and going mining or something like that. So I think how we should start off is I should reload my chunks, as I probably always do. So. Okay. That's good. So, what I want to do today is, as I said, go mining, probably adventure some more. So, I guess that's what we're going to do. So, first, I think, should start off by, let me think. Wait. Game rule. Wait. Keep inventory true. Okay. There we go. So, what we should do now is, I could probably look for some hats, probably find iron, lucky blocks, I don't know. So, that's what I'm going to be doing. So first of all, I have no clue what in the world this is. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Chunko head? What in the world? I think I should make a pickaxe right now. Man, it's pretty laggy. Okay, there we go. And I'll take that with me. Okay. Oh! I found a lucky block. Please be good. Boom! Aw. Come on, that stunk. Let me think. Lucky blocks in this forest. Not sure. And that's why I'm getting out of the forest. Or at least I thought I was. What in the world is that? Oh, I thought that was like an angry mob for a second, but it's just a hat. Okay. Oh, it's gonna be a bad one, I know it. What is it? Oh my gosh. The lucky sword. That is sick. For a start. For like a second episode in the second series. That probably rhymes, but I don't think so. Okay. So I have no armor, and that sucks. And now I hear dogs. Good for me. Okay, so now, I'm probably just gonna cut till I find a, cool place or something. Okay guys, so apparently, I think I'm going to be, making an ME system today because I have gravel, sand, and a bunch of clay, so, uh-oh. Run! Or I should run. Ah! Oh gosh. Give me this hay. Give me it. Come on. Okay. Oh, look, it's me. Look at that. Okay, so what I should do now is I should make this into clay, like blocks. So, grout, and then boom. I think that should do. Couple stacks of grout. Wait. I should just go cut down one of these trees. It's almost exactly a stack of wood, but well, it's supposed to be. Okay. So wait. Make that into wood. Oh yeah. It's a lot of wood. Stop! Okay, phew. Okay. So I could do that. Make another furnace. And there we go. Second furnace, put the grout in, and then the oak. Or what? Might need that. Gonna turn on all these hay bales into wheat. Holy moly. Wait. Let's do that. Stacks of wheat. Wow, pretty cool. So, put these up here. Wait. Okay. What in the world? Okay guys, so I'm back. My computer kind of lagged out and crashed my game a little bit. So that's why I had to cut. Okay. Make shovel. And then make an axe. Okay, I think we're set. Okay. Take all these seared bricks. So I think it's like that. Wait. Smeltery drain. A smeltery controller. And what else? Oh yeah, I needed a tank. Smeltery tank. I think this is how it works. Yeah, there we go. Just put that back in there. And I think we're good. So now, I should probably make a basement. Yeah, I probably should. So, staircases, Let me see. And I think I should do it right here. Make a couple of slabs. There we go. What in the world? What in the world was that? Sounds pretty creepy. Whoops. And I hate stairs. They're the worst kind of thing there is. Because you can just like dig and then it could like fall and suffocate you. So that sucks. And there we go. So now I've got our slabs. Put it like this. And make more slabs. Go. Okay. So I'll find something to talk about while I'm doing this. So I guess I'll talk about that I hit 1,500 views, and that's pretty cool. It's like a huge goal for me. I never thought that I would get that many views or subscribers. And it's pretty cool. So I'm just gonna dig out this area and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so now that that's done, I guess we could start making this smeltery. So what I should do is do that, and sorry about that, land, so sorry. I'll fix you later. Do I have dirt? I guess I have wood. So okay, there we go. So I guess that feels kind of like a home, I guess. So what we should do now is start making this smeltery. And you guys have probably seen me do this like 2 or 3 times. So I'll just start by doing this. Put that there. Whoops. Okay, put that there. I messed it up again. And that's sandstone. So there we go. Put the seared faucet right there. And then I think I need some, well no, I need a casting table, and put that right there. Put that there. Make a 3x3 area, and put that there, and just need a couple more blocks to finish this off. And boom. Okay, so now we made the smeltery. So I'm probably gonna finish the smeltery off, And I guess that'll be it. So yeah guys, if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you've enjoyed. Bye!